Hey students, want to boost grades and save hours of study time? Today we are diving into 5 AI tools that every student should know about. Whether it's writing essays, solving math problems, or organizing your notes, these tools are game changers. And stick around till the end because I'll give you a pro tip on how to use AI effectively. It could make your study sessions unstoppable. First up is ChatGPT. Think of it as your personal AI tutor. Need help with an essay, struggling with a tricky science concept? ChatGPT can explain ideas, summarize chapters, or even help you brainstorm creative solutions. But remember, use it as a guide, not a shortcut to copy answers. Your understanding matters most. Next is Grammarly. Writing essays, emails, or reports. Grammarly checks grammar, punctuation, and even suggests better words. It's like having an editor sitting next to you. Students who write clearly often get better grades, so this tool is a must. Number 3 is Quizlet. This tool lets you create flashcards or better, AI can generate them for you. Perfect for memorizing vocabulary, history dates, or formulas. Plus, you can test yourself with fun quizzes and games. Wolfram Alpha. Tool number 4 is Wolfram Alpha. Stuck on a math problem or physics question? Just type it in and Wolfram Alpha solves it step by step. It's like having a super smart tutor available 24/7. Try solving it yourself first, then use Wolfram Alpha to check your work. That way you actually learn while you study. Finally, Notion AI, perfect for organizing notes, projects, and schedules. You can summarize long lectures, make to-do lists, or even generate ideas for assignments. Staying organized means less stress and better grades. So here is the pro tip I promised. Use AI like a study assistant, not a shortcut. Try it yourself first. Attempt the AI problem or paragraph before asking AI. Ask AI to explain, not just answer. For example, summarize this chapter or explain in simple words. Edit and summarize. Make AI suggestions your own. Use AI to organize, create schedules, summaries, or flashcards. Combine tools, ChatGPT plus Quizlet plus Grammarly plus Notion equals to unstoppable study workflow. So to recap, ChatGPT is your study buddy. Grammarly, perfect your writing. Quizlet for AI flashcards. Wolfram Alpha for maths and science help. Notion AI for organizing everything. Use them wisely and you'll study smarter, not harder. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And comment below. Which AI tool will you try first? Let's make studying unstoppable. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video.